Hey guys, it's Eric with LeatherSeats.com. In today's tech tip video, we're going to be rewrapping the factory cloth door inserts on a 2018 Ford Expedition. So I'm out here in our installation bay today. We're test fitting our new 2018 Ford Expedition Kit, and we've discovered that Ford decided to use cloth on the factory door panels on all 4 doors. So today we're going to take you through the process of rewrapping the cloth door inserts on the new body Ford Expedition. Alright guys, as you can see, Luis got this rear passenger side door panel insert rewrapped. All 4 door panel inserts are going to work the same way. If you guys do have any questions, you can always email us at sales@LeatherSeats.com, or you can call us toll free at 866-NEW-SEAT. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.